Fred Kagonye, KTN, Nairobi.
Licha ya masaibu aliyopitia mikononi mwa watekaji nyara wake, mwanaharakati na mtetezi wa haki za kiraia wa Tanzania Maria Sarungi Shehai amesema kuwa hatokoma na wanaharakati wake. Maria alielezea wanahabari matukio ya Jumapili alipotekwa nyara alipokuwa ameenda kusukwa nywele, na anaamini watekaji wake walikuwa na nia ya kujua kilichokuwa kwenye kumbi zake za mitandao. Maria anaamini pia tukio hilo linahusiana na uchaguzi mkuu unaokaribia nchini Tanzania, kwani amekuwa mkosoaji mkubwa wa chama tawala CCM ambacho kinatawala Tanzania. Shirika la Amnesty limeishtumu serikali ya Kenya kwa kuruhusu utekaji nyara wa Maria kutekelezwa hapa nchini.
There is a much more bigger awareness, however the repression is getting very big. We have seen that the abductions have gone up since I would say 2 years now, but more in the past year. There's been a lot of abductions as well. Most of them have been politically targeted. But I also think that based on the fact that they really wanted access to my phone, I have a feeling that some of the things that I report on is now giving them sleepless nights. So that was one of the reasons they wanted. What makes me feel safe in Kenya are the Kenyans, more than anything else. Because what I experienced yesterday, I don't know how many people know that when you are being abducted and you see people fighting for you and they don't know who you are, that gave me a sense. And later I was told that in social media Kenyans were actually trending it and commenting on it as if I was their own.
Considering Kenya recently ascended to a seat in the UN Human Rights Council, this is a very dangerous precedent to Kenya, considering that we host very many expatriates in this country. Kenya is set to become one of the largest, I think the third largest UN hub in the world. And when foreign nationals do not feel protected, they don't feel secure in this country, then this is really dangerous.
Wiki mbili tangu kuanza kwa masomo ya muhula wa kwanza,